There's this one time I got a D- in a chemistry exam. I used to get grades you only see in hip-hop music videos. Put some D's on it! I don't think it's possible to get worse grades than I did. I mean, I don't think it's scientifically proven. When it comes to getting bad grades, I was in a league of my own. I mean, if we both took a chemistry exam together, there's a 120% chance you'd beat me. 20% give or take. Mostly because for me, looking at a chemistry book was like staring into the sun. But I had to do something about my grades because it was getting embarrassing. This is exactly what used to happen whenever my chemistry teacher gave us backup chemistry exam papers. Michael? Sam? Abishai? Ombese? Are you even in this class? Getting that D- was a wake-up call for me. So I checked out my exam calendar and turns out I had another chemistry exam in a week. And so for an entire week, I started hitting the books hard. So the week went by pretty fast and it was finally exam day. So I was standing outside of my exam room when my boy Sam came up to me and said, "Yo Mbessa, you ready for this?" Am I ready for this? Bro, I know what an exothermic reaction is. Didn't see that coming, did you? So the bell rings and we all get into the exam room, and the chem teacher also gets into the exam room and starts going from desk to desk handing out the chemistry exam papers. But when she gets to my desk, she gives me this Bruce Lee death stare. And I look back at her and in my head I'm like, girl, you got no idea what's about to go down. Cause I knew what molecular compounds made up water. H2O, bitches. Didn't see that coming, did you? So the chem teacher walks up to the front of the class and says, "You may now turn to page 1. So I turned the exam paper to the first page, and guess what the first question is? What's an exothermic reaction? Baby, I'ma tell you what an exothermic reaction is. Then I look at the second question and it says, what's an endothermic reaction? And I'm like, wait, just wait. There's another reaction besides exothermic and it's called endothermic? Now that's just some made up shit right there. So I start skimming through the exam paper and surprise, surprise, I didn't know anything on that paper besides the first question. Funny thing is, my boy Sam was sitting right next to me and I couldn't ask for his help because I just told him I'm a chemistry Jedi master. And this other guy called Calvin, who was also sitting right next to me, couldn't let me cheat off him if the human race depended on it. I ended up getting a D+ in that exam, but my bros offered to help me get better grades and we formed this study group, and on my final chemistry exam of my third year of high school, I got a C+. That's it guys, thanks for watching, subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up. Can you see this, or can you see it now? Awesome. Yeah, I'll see you next week guys. Are you even in this class?